So price is still continuing to pull back into the daily range. Solid bearish candles on the daily. Like I said yesterday, we're just trying to get involved at a level of supply. So yesterday it was this POI. There is a POI right here, but the liquidity has already been taken, so this POI is now invalid. So you see here, this is the liquidity sweep before this POI, and it's given us an entry. Still have 20 minutes left, so if this actually pulls back up and closes bullish, then this will still be active. But yeah, looking at price action now, this is probably going to be invalid. I also like to see we got a straight push here, but I also like to see like another area of liquidity, like a bullish candle in between. So this straight push here, this POI is not that great for me, just with the liquidity being taken here, and there's no other candles in this push down. So to be fair, I'm not looking to trade there at all. There's no news today, so nothing is going to interfere with any trades, but these are the only active POIs I've got, so happy to take a trade here. Also not going to be doing a weekly review because I've taken no trades and price has just been pushing down. The only trade we could say that we did have this week was here, but a rule for me is if the POI gets swept, I'm not entering, and the POI got swept. So for my backtesting, if a POI gets swept, it can sweep liquidity and then continue the other direction, but most of the time if it fails, if the POI fails, then I'm not looking to trade there. The price wasn't held at that POI, so that POI is not as strong. It did, and here was London. It wasn't even London Open, so London Open was this candle and it just dumped straight away. So yeah, invalid trade. So yeah, that is it for GER40 and weekly review as well. There was only one trade and it was invalid. So yeah, that's it for GER40.